3. Remove the tea bags and let the tea cool to room temperature. 4. Once the tea has cooled, add half cup of condensed milk and stir until well combined. 5. Fill a glass with ice and pour the tea mixture over it. 6. Enjoy your refreshing Vietnamese milk tea. Variations on Vietnamese milk tea. While the classic recipe for Vietnamese milk tea is delicious on its own, there are plenty of variations that you can try. Here are a few ideas to get you started. 1. Matcha milk tea. If you're a fan of green tea, try swapping out the black tea for matcha powder. This will give your milk tea a vibrant green color and a slightly earthy flavor. 2. Taro milk tea. For a unique twist on Vietnamese milk tea, add taro powder to the mixture. Taro is a starchy root vegetable that is commonly used in Asian desserts, and it gives the milk tea a sway. Tea nutty flavor. Tea nutty flavor. 3. Thai milk tea. If you're feeling adventurous, try making Thai milk tea. This variation uses a mix of black tea and spices like star anise, cinnamon, and cloves, giving it a rich and complex flavor. 4. Oolong milk tea. If you want a more mellow flavor, try using oolong tea instead of black tea. Oolong has a slightly floral taste that complements the sweetness of the condensed milk. Benefits of drinking Vietnamese milk tea. Aside from its delicious taste, there are a few benefits to drinking Vietnamese milk tea. Here are a few. 1. Full of antioxidants. Black tea, the base of Vietnamese milk tea, is packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and lower your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. R. 2. Boosts energy. Thanks to its caffeine content, Vietnamese milk tea can give you a quick energy boost to get you through the afternoon slump. 3. Helps with digestion. Condensed milk contains lactose, which can help promote healthy digestion. 4. Enhances mood. The combination of caffeine and sugar in Vietnamese milk tea can help lift your mood and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. And if you don't have time to make it yourself at home, fear not. Vietnamese milk tea is widely available at cafes and restaurants in Vietnamese communities and beyond. In fact, it has gained popularity around the world in recent years, with trendy shops popping up in major cities like New York and London. Around the world in recent years, with trendy shops popping up in major cities like New York and London. So why not give this delicious and culturally significant beverage a try? Not only will you enjoy its rich flavor and creamy texture, but you'll also be taking a sip of Vietnamese history and culture. And who knows, you might just discover your new favorite afternoon pick-me-up. Happy sipping! And who knows, you might just discover your new favorite afternoon pick-me-up. Happy sipping! In addition to being a tasty drink, Vietnamese milk tea has also become a cultural phenomenon. In Vietnam and other parts of Southeast Asia, drinking tea is considered a social activity and is often